welcome back to the first annual Jamie Lee Curtis replacement competition. The person who wins this competition will of course replace Jamie Lee Curtis, the second time. Hi, I'm a police officer, and I'm hosting today's Jamie Lee Curtis replacement competition. If you win the coveted tiny hair trophy. As you all know, Jamie's got little tiny hair. All right, our nominees are Jimby Lee Jarmpus, a pile of yogurt, and you look gorgeous today, may I say. My Aunt Denise, what are you doing here? Get out of here. I love her. All right. Well, I will have everyone know that today I arrested 5 people. I'm really proud of that. What am I doing? Right, the competition. Okay. So Jamie Lee is on her deathbed. Oops!
Why is that funny?
Hey! It's my coping mechanism. That's everybody?
Is that everybody? Just in case, I had this ready.
Yeah! That guy!
Thank you.
Yeah!